Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting this week on our CAD JPY. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you do also click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I will put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So now, on our Swiss franc JPY, let's go down to our daily time frame to understand the movement, and we would want to know the trend. We all know the market tends to give us three movements. It is either we are trending to the downside, we are trending upward, or market is literally ranging. So when you take a look at what market is doing here, as CAD JPY, we are definitely ranging. This is a ranging market move. I think this movement started since last year, August last year, 2024, and currently we are still ranging. That is it. That is this movement is our main trend, main range. Now, within this main ranging market move, market is giving us a minor ranging market move. That is, if you zoom it in, you'll see it properly. So you can clearly see it here. These are our minor ranging market move. Ranging here, you can see it, a reaction that rejected from the support, they came to the resistance, rejected. Now it has eventually come back to its resistance level. Let's see it push further up, or we expect another reaction that will make it drop. So within this level, you would want to be ranging on your CAD JPY with your CAD JPY. So is the sell about to happen? Yes, the sell is about to happen, but right now I don't think it is playing out. Probably you might start getting that sell around Wednesday, if I'm not wrong. Wednesday, if you don't get it around Wednesday, then the upper week, which is next week, you should be expecting the sell. So whatever thing we want to do, that you should be very careful buying at this level, as we are currently at a major level, which is our resistance level. So be very careful taking the buy upward. What you would want to do is probably wait for your sell setup. Once you get to the sell setup, then you can hop in for the sell, as the sell will be likely to appear. So only hoping for the sell once you get the sell setup. So subscribe to stay